Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check that your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is firmly seated and the monitor shows the correct input. You need to know the monitor's native resolution. This determines the sharpest display and prevents scaling artifacts. Once done, open Windows Display Settings or your graphics control panel and note the current resolution and multiple display arrangement. Make sure drivers were recently updated. Without them, resolution options can be limited, so update or reinstall before proceeding. You now change resolution and scaling. Choose the monitor's native resolution first for best clarity, then tweak scaling so text and icons are comfortable. If items appear too large or small, change scaling in 25% increments and sign out when prompted to apply cleanly. For multi-monitor setups, select each screen and set resolutions individually. Make sure primary display is correct. If you need non-standard sizes, open your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel control panel to create custom resolutions. Do this cautiously to avoid unsupported. To finish, apply your settings and test across typical apps and a game or video to ensure no stretching or blurriness. You want native resolution with appropriate scaling. If text looks fuzzy, set scaling to 100% at native resolution or run clear type tuning to sharpen fonts. If problems persist, update the GPU driver, try a different cable or adapter, and reboot. As a final troubleshooting tip, if nothing changes, connect a second monitor or use the laptop screen to isolate whether the issue is the monitor or the.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.